Why are theoretical terms important? My name is Jennifer du Plessis, and this is what we are going to be talking about today. To understand what theoretical terms are, it is first important to understand how theories are structured. All theories have what we call objects of study, which refers to the thing that we are looking to understand. In literary theory, the object of study always refers to some aspect of literature, even though this can take many forms. Then we have the main hypothesis, which is the theory's key focus question, which is used as a means of achieving an understanding of the object of study. We will be diving into different theories and their objects of study and main hypotheses in the near future, so this is useful to keep in mind. Then, all theories contain theoretical terms. These are the words that are connected with the research being done. For example, when we study the environment, we talk about global warming, which is a scientific concept. All theories have words like these, which guide research in that field or on that topic. Literary theories are no different. These words help theorists create parameters around which theories can be developed. This structure, object of study, main hypothesis, theoretical terms, helps us to navigate a theory because there are so many of them and they are all different in scope. For example, if I want to study a poem, and this then becomes my object of study, I need to think about what it is I want to look at, how I will study the poem. I then, for example, decide to argue that the poem's meaning is connected to the form that it is written in. This is then my main hypothesis. The theoretical terms I use will then have to be connected to the form of the poem. I will look at things like the repetition of sounds, like rhyme, assonance, and consonance, the existence of metaphors, its specific rhythm. Analyzing patterns that relate to these theoretical notions will help me to understand a poem's meaning. I will not look beyond the form of the poem. The poet is irrelevant, I am irrelevant, and the context in which I read the poem is irrelevant. See, I am using the theoretical terms as parameters to guide my research. Different theories focus on different things, but more on this later. And there you have it. That is why theoretical terms are crucial to literary theory. Please like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to comment any questions you may have about this topic or any other aspect of literary theory. We may even do a video about your question, so be sure to check in regularly. Thanks so much for watching.